The HP SmartTank Plus 651 is a cartridge-free wireless all-in-one printer designed for home users and families who need affordable, high-volume color printing. Built by HP, it combines long-lasting ink bottles, simple operation, and reliable everyday performance in a compact design. High-volume printing with big savings. This printer comes with up to 2 years of HP ink included, allowing you to print up to 8,000 color pages or 6,000 black pages straight out of the box. It is ideal for users who want very low running costs without sacrificing print quality. Crisp text and vivid color output. The SmartTank Plus 651 delivers sharp black text and bright, true-to-life color prints. It is well suited for schoolwork, home documents, photos, and creative projects that require clean and consistent results. All-in-one functionality. This model supports print, scan, copy, and fax, making it a complete home office solution. The built-in 35-page automatic document feeder helps handle multi-page documents efficiently, saving time and effort. Wireless and mobile printing. With built-in Wi-Fi and mobile printing support, you can print wirelessly from your smartphone, tablet, or laptop. The HP app makes it easy to manage printing and scanning tasks directly from your mobile device. Easy-to-use refillable ink tank system. The refillable ink tank design eliminates cartridges and simplifies refilling. Ink bottles are easy to use and help prevent spills, making maintenance clean and stress-free. Compact and home-friendly design. Lightweight and space-saving, the SmartTank Plus 651 fits comfortably in home offices, study rooms, or shared family spaces without clutter. Overall, the HP SmartTank Plus 651 is a reliable and budget-friendly all-in-one printer for home use. With long-lasting ink, wireless convenience, and solid print quality, it is a smart choice for families and users who print frequently and want to keep costs low.